makes matters worse inside this kitchen.
In my entire life. That is the worst.
Let me tell you. Take it out, Diane.
Yeah.
Bingo.
Mouldy.
Oh.
The chef, no choice.
What I get paid to do.
Maybe his
The shepherd's pie.
For God's sake.
Hit rock bottom.
few days. Now, the last of
Talking out, you have a horrible.
habits die.
There's a food critic.
It was a big thing of
Wish I had a math.
Not pissed I am.
I'm just so.
How can we not have a chef?
My God. Wondering why.
ridiculous.
I don't know.
John.
There you go. Look.
Or is the food
Damn.
Yeah. They just use you.
It felt like I.
I'm held accountable for.
confirms he
Make it look authentic. It's in blood.
Want to deal with the back.
and still fun. Only
Look.
marriage you ran back stairs.
Stay down for each.
What happened?
Ramsay makes solves the cup.
Now I realize. Please. Okay.
Valuable. This one's more.
Can Chef Ramsay turn? Gordon has not only
Down. Fine. I swear to God, I'm not here.